Hey guys, today we're drawing the goat Madara Uchiha. But don't forget I'm a noob too, so it's all practice vibes. Let's keep it simple and let the lines flow. Don't overthink it. Sometimes the best drawings happen when you just go with it. First, we start really simple with just the outline of the head, almost like drawing an egg shape. After that, we add a line down the middle to help place the eyes and nose. Then I'll sketch the shoulders lightly, just enough to give some base before we make the lines bolder. Next, we can start placing the eyes, nose and mouth using the guidelines we drew. Don't stress if they're a little off, just keep it light and adjust as we go. After that, we can add the hair outline, keeping it loose at first so we can tweak the shapes before making them bold. Finally, once everything looks good, we go over the lines we want to keep, make them darker, and add small details like the eyebrows and jawline. Step by step, it all starts to come together. Alright, so now that the base is ready, I'm just gonna keep going and show you my drawing process. Watch how I build up the details, add shading and clean up the lines. No rush, just follow along and see how it all comes together.